let us know how do you build the show?
Yeah, for sure. It's been it's been like a roller coaster with a lot of different paths these past 3 years, and now we are more systematic in that sense of planning each episode, each show, and planning the script and the research behind it. So now I can tell you that we have it really clear what is the process for each episode. We release one episode per week. So let's say four in a month. And each of these four has a different line of interest. No? One is like vocational orientation. What is like a how can I study earth science? No? Another one is like the basics of the earth processes in terms of like all the earth spheres, like the atmosphere, the oceans, the geology, like explaining a basic topic on that line. Then the third line is like uh, recent findings on earth science, like where is the frontier. And for that we always partner with the American Geophysical Union. And the fourth line is like this reflection video in which we like questioning the social and nature interactions. So once we have this set up, these four lines, we start like at the beginning of the month, the research in these four videos, and then we do like a lot of scripting and drafting the scripts. And then there's a very cool process, which is just like thinking about sketches and jokes that could like be an analogy for a process or an analogy for the force that is driving the phenomenon, no, that we want to explain. And well, then finally it's just recording that video and the long process of editing.
Bernardo, tell us in these 3 years, when did you realize that your platform was taking off?
I think like a very nice milestone was 2 years ago, in which we started to publish one weekly original article in planetando.org. And those articles were written by graduate students that that simply wanted to have a platform to write. So I think that's when I realized that Planetando was a project that was worth, because we just gave a platform for people to write for their own, for like the general public. So yeah, 2 years ago we started to have like weekly articles, like every week. So there were like grad students that sent us like their own works, and of course we just like went ahead and edit them and give feedback, things like that. So yeah, I think that was a very nice milestone. And then just recently we passed the 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and on Facebook. So that's super cool. And that's yeah, that really make us happy. Like a lot of people that it's enjoying the things that we do.